Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing about how I earned $300 working as a freelancer or consultant during my engineering for an American firm. So let us begin. On the right hand side you can see a snapshot of the payment receipt that I received, and the amount was 300 US dollars. Okay, so the purpose of making this video is that many of the mechanical engineers during their third or fourth year they work as an intern and they do not get paid. And whereas if you see and if you have a look at the CS and IT students, they work on projects like building websites and different applications and servers, and they earn a lot of money during their engineering by doing that. So this is to motivate you all dynamic to be engineers. So if you're watching this video means that you are already one step ahead. So let us begin. So it all started when I was working on a project related to electric vehicles. We designed the braking system for that electric vehicles because I was working in the braking department, and then we made a CAD model and then we tested it. And along with that, we also did some finite element analysis on that, and it worked. So we thought of why not publish our work, and because I was interested in research writing, so we thought of publishing that work into a journal. And we selected some journals, we shortlisted them, then we finally published a paper along with editing and many other plagiarism checks and everything. We added some images of our test and results that we obtained, what unique results we obtained. We also mentioned that into the conclusion as well as the scope of the paper. So after that, after a few months, a few months later, I received an email from an associate working in American firm, the same firm. He told me that he wanted to hire me as a on a retainer basis as a consultant. They wanted me to consult on some design work. I cannot disclose what it was because I have signed a confidential agreement with them. But I can show you the retention letter as well. So this is the retention letter, and the compensation that was given to me was $25 per hour, and this was the retention letter. Now let us move forward and how I did it. So what you can do to get such kind of offers, or you can approach even you can approach the people working in different countries. So these are the basic steps that you can follow, and this will definitely result into something good. So the first thing is like work on the projects and like research about it, the topics that you are interested in, research about it, work on different projects. You can then, if you find it trustworthy, it is worthy enough to be published, you can publish it into the journals. If not journals, then you can also write blogs about it. You can write blogs on medium.com. There are many websites. You can make your own blog on WordPress. And the second thing is be active on professional platforms. There are many professional platforms, trust me. LinkedIn, ResearchGate, these are two of the best platforms where you can publish your work. You can not publish your work on LinkedIn, but obviously you can write some blogs about it, and then you can provide a link to your research work. The third thing is connect with people. This is by far the most important thing. If you connect with people, you have good networking skills, you can learn from them, and that would result in, like, you will get to discuss new and innovative topics. You can discuss that with your friends, or you can discuss that with the people. You can connect with like-minded people, people who are working on the same project or the same topic that you are interested in. So you can do that, and that would result that you would get a good knowledge, and you will get to learn about what is going on in the world, what is going on in different countries, and what are the things that can get you paid in that countries. Okay, so that was our fourth point, which is learn from them, connect with people. And the fifth point is discuss new and innovative ideas with your friends. Trust me, like most of the people, they don't discuss innovative, they only discuss that about the Instagram posts, about the movies, about Hollywood shows, Netflix, La Casa de Papel that was released recently. Most of you might have discussed shared memes, but why not share ideas? Why not share the different blogs? Why not share some newsletters which are good enough to read, like worth a read? So you can do that with your friends and form a group of friends which are really into research, or maybe some innovative ideas, startups, and not whatnot. Okay, so then you can also join some different groups. Like you can attend events, you can join Toastmasters group, you can attend TED events, and there are many sessions that are going online. You can attend conclaves, you can attend like publishing ceremonies where ideas are shared. You can do whatever, because trust me, YouTube is the best source of learning, because there are many YouTube videos. Like you have whole Stanford lectures and seminars about financial education, about startup, how to start, and these all or You can also go for different platforms, Reddit or anything. You can read in Quora. There are many things that you can get, new things that you will be learning. You can search for competitions. I came across a blog writing competition about who inspires me the most, and I wrote a blog and I also got a prize for that. It was an Amazon coupon. I'll just in the next video I'll share about it. But for this video, search for different competitions that are available. You can directly search hashtag competition, hashtag hackathon, hashtag anything on LinkedIn or on directly on YouTube or anywhere. You will get to know about all these competitions. And the most important is, read international news. Read news every day, every single day, whether it can be financial news about stock market, about startups, about crypto, about anything. So always keep on reading, and this will definitely help you to build yourself and to connect in this modern world with everyone. So these are like few of the steps you can take, and trust me, within the span of like a year you will definitely get good results out of it. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our content, if you like our videos, then please comment on it. And if you have any quiz, you can email us. I will mention my email ID in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching.